How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Get an app to open this ms-xbl link error in Xbox app. For this first step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for gaming services. Click it, click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click advanced option, scroll down. Under reset, click repair and wait for some time. Once the repair complete after, you can click reset. If it's running in background means it will not repair. In this case, you need to click reset directly. Come back. Scroll down and search for Xbox app. Click the three dot icon. Click advanced option. Scroll down. Under reset, click repair. After, click reset. Once the reset complete after, you need to restart your device. Close it and restart the device. After restart, you can check it. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Open run and type the following text: wsreset.exe. Type it and click OK. And wait for some time. It will automatically open. Once opening after, you need to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. After, click download option in the left hand side. Click it and you need to update the Xbox and gaming services. Click the check for update and update the Xbox and gaming services. Once the update complete after, you need to close it. Then one more time restart your device. Thank you.